Introduction to the Mahindra Jeeto Jeep. The Mahindra Jeeto Jeep has been turning heads in rural and semi-urban India. It's not just a mini truck or a compact vehicle anymore, it's now a symbol of creativity, affordability, and practicality. By taking the rugged appeal of a Jeep and blending it with the economy of the Jeeto platform, local garages and modifiers have created a unique driving machine that stands out on every road. Design and modifications. At its core, the Mahindra Jeeto is a light commercial vehicle, known for its efficiency and small size. But with some clever bodywork, the Jeeto transforms into a miniature Jeep that looks tough, stylish, and even military-inspired. From the classic 7-slat grille to round headlights and open-style body frames, the design mimics the iconic Mahindra Thar or vintage Jeeps. Many of these modified versions feature lifted suspensions, custom bumpers, off-road tires, and matte paint jobs, giving them a strong road presence. Engine and performance. Despite its Jeep-like appearance, the Mahindra Jeeto Jeep runs on the original Jeeto engine, a 625cc single-cylinder diesel or 0.6L petrol engine, depending on the model. It may not offer high speeds, but it's fuel-efficient and perfect for village roads, farms, and small-town cruising. It's not built for highway racing or off-road adventures, but for what it's made to do, it does the job well, reliable and cost-effective. Affordability and customization. One of the biggest appeals of the Jeeto Jeep is its affordability. A standard Jeeto can cost around 4 rupees to 5 lakh rupees, and with modifications, the total might go up to 6 lakh rupees or slightly more, depending on the level of customization. That's still far cheaper than a brand new Mahindra Thar or any 4x4 sub. For those who love the Jeep style but can't stretch the budget, this is a great alternative. Uses and practicality. This modified vehicle isn't just for show. It's used in weddings, events, and rural tourism. Some owners use it for local transportation or even light cargo work. Its unique design also makes it a local attraction wherever it goes. It combines practicality with personality, and that's something not many vehicles in this price range offer. Conclusion. The Mahindra Jeeto Jeep is a perfect example of Indian innovation and passion for vehicles. It takes a simple, everyday commercial vehicle and turns it into something special, a Jeep for the people. Whether you're a fan of modifications or just love budget vehicles that turn heads, the Jeeto Jeep is worth checking out. Thanks for watching Motor World. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to Motor World for more unique auto content like this. We bring you the most interesting vehicles from every corner of India. See you in the next one.